Hey everybody, it's Sue and Debbie. We're here to read you a book, a special Easter book, because Sunday's Easter and we want you to have a very special Easter. This is called Max's Chocolate Chicken. Ooh, that's the Easter bunny. One day, someone put a chocolate chicken in the bird bath.
Look at that. I love you, said Max.
To the chicken.
Wait, Max, said Max's sister Ruby. First, we go on an egg hunt. If you find the most eggs, then you get the chocolate chicken.
They have their baskets. Oh,
Where's all the eggs? Max went looking for eggs, but all he found was a mud puddle. Ruby found a big yellow egg. Max didn't find any. No eggs, no chicken, Max said Ruby. Max went looking again, but all he found were acorns.
oh, look it.
But
silly Max.
Ruby found a blue egg. Max, said Ruby, pull yourself together. Otherwise, you'll never get the chocolate chicken. So Max went looking with Ruby. Ruby found a red egg with green stars. Max found a spoon. Oh, there's the spoon.
Here's the spoon, yeah.
Ruby found a gold egg with purple stripes and a turquoise egg with silver swirls and a lavender egg with orange polka dots. Max found some ants. Oh no. Then he made ant and acorn pancakes. Max, said Ruby, you've had trouble finding your own ears if they weren't attached to your head. Ruby counted her eggs. I'm the one who's going to get the chocolate chicken, Max, said Ruby.
How many eggs does she have?
Eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow.
But Max ran away and hid.
What did Max take with him? The chocolate chicken.
No. The bird bath was empty.
Look at Ruby's face.
Where are you, Max? Ruby called. Max ate the chicken's tail.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. I see you, Max, said Ruby. But she didn't. Max ate the chicken's head. I'll give you half the chocolate chicken, Max, yelled Ruby. Max ate the wings. Oh no. Then he popped out of his hiding place. Max, said Ruby, how could you do this to me? Look at the chocolate chicken.
Well, there's a chocolate duck. Whoa.
I love you, said Max.
The Easter Bunny saved the day.